So for the intercooler sprayer, you're gonna need these basically two parts. The first number, the 179901810, is all the hoses, clips, everything on it. And the second part is the water tank, which is the 068201993. Now we're gonna open and see what's inside, and I'm gonna try to classify as many parts as possible. There's a plethora of parts on this thing. And we have the terminal repair. We have two. This one differs from this one, but this one is a little bit smaller. You guys can see, and it came just like that, handwritten. Now we have the bracket intercooler, which is this part number. We have the sprayers, 1, 2, 3, and 4, same part number. I have two different housing connectors, small and a big one. Then I have the relay. Also I have another clip. I have another clip too. It was like that, handwritten. Have these two little pins. And I have these 3 screws. That's the part number that's I guess. And I have the importing the switch. And the part number. And the switch for the water supply. As I mentioned before, we have the 2 hoses. This one is 1430, if you notice, and this one is 1420. 1420 is smaller. And we have the water tank, 068201993.